Hi guys, in this video I will explain you what is Java keywords and how many types are there, and what is data types and how to declare data types, how many types of data types in Java. So let's start first start with Java keywords. So there are 50 keywords currently defined in the Java language. These keywords combined with the syntax of the operators and separators from the foundation of the Java language. These keywords cannot be used as a name for a variable, class or methods. So we have 50 keywords. So these are the 50 predefined keywords, which is Java keywords. You can see abstract, continue, for, new, and remember one thing that these keywords cannot be used as a name for a variable, class or method. Now come to the data types. So the primitive types Java defines 8 primitive types of data. First one is byte, short, type, long, character, float, double and boolean. So these are 8 data types. So the primitive types are also commonly referred to as simple types, and both terms will be used in this video. These can be put in 4 groups. First one is integer. This group includes byte, short, int and long, which are 4 whole valued signed numbers. Second one is floating points number. This group includes float and double, which represent numbers with fractional precision. Third one is characters. This group includes character which represents symbols in a character set like letters and numbers. Fourth one is Boolean. This group includes Boolean, which is a special type for representing true false values. Start with first, which is integers. Now Java defines 4 integers type: byte, short, int and long. All of these are signed, positive and negative values. Java does not support unsigned integers. Example, we can define like this: integer a comma b and semicolon, or integer a equal to 5. We have initialized 5 into a. Now this is the width of that 4 types of integers: long, int, short, byte. So as I said, there are 4 integer types, which is long, int, short and byte. Long is width is 64 bit and range is a huge range, and integer is a 32 bit and range is good enough. And third one is short. Short is width is 16 and it is from minus 32,768 to 32,767. And byte is the smallest, which is 8 bit, minus range is minus 128 to 127. Now come to first one is byte. So the smallest integer type is byte. This is a signed 8-bit type that has a range from minus 127 to 128. The variables of type byte are especially used when you are working with a stream of data from a network or file. They are also useful when you are working with raw binary data that may not be directly compatible with Java's other built-in types. Example, byte a comma b. So this is the example to declare the byte data type. Second one is short. So the short is signed 16-bit type. It is a range from minus 32,768 to 32,767. It is probably the least used Java type. Here are some examples of short variables declaration. Short as semicolon, short t, it's a variable. Third one is int. So the most commonly used integer type is int. It is a signed 32-bit type that has a range from a huge number, minus 2147 to minus 2421 it's the range from minus 2147 and so on to plus 2147 and so on. In addition to other users, variables of type int are commonly employed to control loops and to index arrays. Fourth one is long. Long is a signed 64-bit type and is useful for those associations where an int type is not large enough to hold the desired value. The range of a long is quite large. This makes it useful when big whole number are needed. Example long a, b. Now second category is floating point types. Floating point numbers, also known as real numbers, are used when evaluating expressions that require functional precision. These are the floating points. So we have two floating points, number and data type, which is first one is double, second one is float. Float is width is 32 bits and double is just a double of float. Third category is characters. So in Java, the data type used to store characters in char. However, C and C# programmer beware. Character in Java is not the same as char in C or C++. In C and C++, char is 8 bits wide. This is not the case in Java. Instead, Java uses Unicode to represent characters. Java character is 16-bit type. The range of the character is 0 to 65,536. There are no negative characters. Fourth one is and last one is Boolean. So Java has a primitive type called Boolean. For logical values, it can have only one of two possible values, true or false. This is the type returned by all relational operators. As in the case of A is greater than B, Boolean returns true if condition is true, else false. So this is the all about data types, and in next video I will explain you in program that how to use data types in our program. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.